LC's available there. We need people in the table.
Kayo ng bahay, kontakin nyo lang ako ha. Mayroon akong 5% patong. Alright. Ready for rebound. Alright. Alright, time. Jump ball again. Oh, takbo na, takbo na. Tinutok lang. Number 10, Liza May. Short. No basket. Ano si Jackson? Si Jackson mo na magana. So, ubos na yung ano ko. Tawag ko na. Peter. Basket. Number... Oy! Ankle breaker. Bang! Number 10. Announce, Sergio? Na ano na yung ano ko? Mag-announce ba? Sino mag-announce? Basket 10, bumawi! 3 points. 5-2 score, 5-2. 5-3. 5-3. Yeah, that's it. Oy! Siliap! Mr. Suabi. Number 78, tumira ulit ng 3. Wala this time. Play on. Intercepted. Oy, nakuha ulit. Number 8 to number 3. 21, shoot. Rebound ba? Nakakuha niya ano. Pull up. Wala. Rebound by 11. Oh, there's a foul. Number 78. 78 foul. Oh! Oh, what's up the ball, boys? Hold the ball. Number 10. 21, pull up. No good. Rebound by number 3. To number 10. To number 20. To number 8. Oh, stop the ball. Shot on the other side. 6 seconds. 6 seconds to shoot. Number 11. 4. There's a foul. 100 foul. Number 3 to number 8. Number 8 goes in. Black. Go defense. Up. Yellow ball. Number 2, ganda ng pasa. Short. Rebound by number 10. To number 8. Ay, pinasa. Violation. Black ball tayo. Oh, sandali ah. Nugget. Oy, blankang-blanka. Number 3. Oy, pinasa sa wala. Number 5. 78. Basket. Basket count. First foul red. 21 foul on block. Basket. Number 21. Pull up three. No good.
Pag hindi naglaro ng maraming
Ano ba yung Cardi Henry Harvey? Shoot! Yellow ball. Number 79. Lays in. Wala. Number 11 now. To number 10. Number 10. Oy! Pumasok! $78 to 100. 100 to number 79 to number 12. Ganda ng pasa. Easy basket by number 12. Number 11. Symbol tayo. Substitution red. Substitution. 10 seconds to shoot. So, gamitin yung mic dyan ha. Kung magkano kayo kung ilang foul ha. Kayo mag-announce. For 3. No good. 78 for rebound. So in 1. Oy! Sayang. Number 8. Goes in. There's a foul. Foul on number 10. Timeout yellow. Timeout yellow. Alright, back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. 2 shots tayo, 2 shots. Basket ang una. Oh, bawal yun. Call up. No good. Number 11. Pull up 3. Wala. Number 79. Ganda ng pasa. Oy, natapalan. Natapalan. Oy, na-intercept. 78, pull up 3. No good. Black ball. Number 11. Bakit siya lang? Ay, intercept! Yun! Hindi umangat. Sayang. Black ball. Basket. Number 79. Pull up. Shot. Up. There's a foul. Number... Okay. Number 10. Akala ko 20. Akala ko 20. 21. Pull up. No good. Malakas. Rebound by number 10. To 11 for 3. Bang! Suabe. Five seconds to shoot. 4, 3, 2. Intercepted. Play on. Hey, yung bola. Watch out the ball, boys. Watch out the ball. Eleven goes in. Shoot. Rebound by number 10 to 79. Long three. No good. Rebound by 100. Pull up. Basok. Ang galing mag-jump shot si Aizen. Number 11. Number 10. 21. Goes in. Pull up. Easy basket. Ganda ng swing. 78 now. No good. 3 and 2. Number 8 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 12. Tira. Up. End of the quarter. Alright, second quarter. Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. Parang nasa lalim ng banga. 100 pull up. Yes. Number 8. Lumapit. Up. Where is my balot? Marunong na yung magtagalog eh. Number 10. Play on! Number 6, ayun! Ay, sayang! Lumampas ang layup. Oy! Ankle breaker. Number 12 now. Tumira ng 3. Wala rin. Rebound by number 10. Wala. Malakas. Kuha ulit ang rebound. There's a foul. Sino ba? Number 6 lang eh. Oh, there's a foul. $79 foul, 79. 2 shots tayo. No good. Basket. $79 to 100. Goes in, pull up, short. Rebound by 100 again. Number 5 now. To 79. Oh, intercepted. Ay, ganda ng pasa. Number 10 for 2. Number 79. To number 5 for 3. Basket, basket. Basket. Nakatulog lang siya, Clark. Natulog. Foul on number 6. Unnecessary foul on number 6.
Nakita ko yung sa kong yun to. Ano? Hindi mo na sa ako.
Okay. Rebound by number 10. Hey, it's a layup on number 79.
Substitution ba o sa outbound?
Number 11. Goes in! Ayun! Parang malapit mauntog sa ring. Number 79. To number 6, pull up. No good. Rebound by number 10. Sumilip. Yun, pumasok. Number 8. Pull up 3. No good. Rebound by number 6 to number 79. Number 5 to 79. Pinasa, oy, interception. Number 11 now bring down the ball. 2-2. Uy, sa basket. Maganda panabong to. Mataas ang lipad.
Wala na akong power eh. Hindi na ako masigla mag...
Come out, yellow. Points by Hantuka. Ato mo. Dribble, Ajak. Pass to Jessa. Jessa, atake ba? Naghihintay ng kakampi. Back to Ajak. Ajak, umatake. Ajak. Wala. Alger, nice one. 2 points. 2-point lead again. Back to 2-point lead. Ranel! Atake, Ranel! Pedro, umatake! Steal! Hop! Nakuha ni Papi! Papi for 3! No! Rebound by Aljo! Mr. Bola Puli! Jessa! Umatake! Jessa! Aha! Ranel! Wala! Rebound by Ajak! Ajak! Esel by Primo, pass to Mr. Pull up, pasok yan! Tabla na tayo! All 28! First foul. Number 80. At 10. Number 10. Sorry. Primo. Ilang foul na si Primo? Pakisabi sang, sir. Sir, Primo, ilan? Ready for timeout. Jessa, umatake. Libreng-libre. 2-point yan. 32-28. Back to 4-point lead. Pedro, umatake. Pass to Papi. Nice pass. Nice assist to Papi. Ranel. Atake si Ranel. Wala. Malakas. Rebound by Pedro. Pass to Primo. Back to Pedro. Pedro. Pass to Mr. Idol. Mr. Pull up. Pasok. Timeout. Block. Okay. Back to the ball game. Black ball tayo. Black ball. Ajak. Hey, lost ball. Yellow ball tayo. 2 minutes, 50 seconds. Pedro, nagbababa ng bola. Wala. Rebound ba? Ajak, aatake ba? Hindi daw. Pass to Jessa. Oh, ganda ng back. Portrait. Wala. Rebound by Haduk. Aljur, nagbababa ng bola. Eto na. Lalamang ba? Ganda ng crossover. Mayoy, ganda ng peke. Nice one. Ang galing mo. 2 shots by Aljur. Wala ulit. Ganda na ulit rebound. Again, wala. Hindi makalamang. Black ball tayo, black ball, black ball. Jessa. 8, 7. May kasama ng foul yan. May foul na, may foul na. May foul na. Penalty tayo, penalty. 2 shots by Jessa.
Ano yan? Kain ka muna, kain ka muna.
Pasok ko yan. Lamang na ulit. 1-point lead. Wala. Ten seconds shot clock. 8, 7, 6. Pull up jumper. Wala. Rebound by Aldo Bondo. Wala pa din. Papi. Block yan. One more. Wala. 5, 4, 3, 2. Counted yan. Galing. 35, 32. Score 35-32 in favor of Cuesta.
styling. That's the end of first half.
Tama yan, sir. Tabla tayo kanina 32. Isang free throw, 33 plus 2, 35. Lumamang kayo ng isa. Isa lang ang napasok sa free throw. All 32 tayo, all 32. Then one free throw, 33. Then 35. 2 points by Jessa. Don't worry, it was 32 before. Okay, back to the ball game. Start of third quarter. Black ball, black ball.
Wala! Huwag mo na palaruin! Huwag mo na palaruin! Sira yung motor! Yung volleyball! Huwag mo na palaruin! Di ba? Yung volleyball! Third the ball in favor of Cuesta. Congrats! 21. Mr. Richard Cruz. Sokol ito? Sokol. Pinto. Magama. Lalamang na ba? For the lead! Yes, sir! 37, change of favor tayo. Lumamang na. Ang word limit. Nice one! Jessa. Two shots again. Cruz, Richard, Paula. Number 21. Number 21, Mr. Charlie. Ilan ang foul si Richard? Sir, pakitingnan ng foul. Third personal foul charge. Pasok ko yan. Tabla na ulit tayo. All 38. Wala. Rebound by Primo. Nice. Traveling violation. Nice call, Rick. Richard. Claiming the ball. Richard. Pass to Jessa. Mr. Cruz. Cruz, atake. Ganda ng peke. Wala. Wala daw. Foul na. 5. Number 5. Papi C. Number 5, foul. Second, team foul. Ilang foul si number 5 foul? First personal foul. Ajak nakalabas. Hoy! 3 seconds. Nice defense, nice defense. Randall. Atake si Randall. Huli. Richard. Pedri. No shoot. Papi. Rebound. Pass to JM. JM. Atake. Crossover. Pass to Alexi. Huli na naman. Galing mag-defense. Tie. Turnover. Back to yellow tayo. Natapon. Substitution, Red. Substitution. Substitution. Primo out. Ajor in. Substitution, Red. Substitution. Subs, pasok, pasok. Close out. Russell in. Okay, Russell. Nagbababa ng bola. Russell. Pass to Daddy. Nawala ang bola. Yellow ball. Father and son po na. Father and son. Papi. Back to Randall. Ganda Alexi. Wala shoot. Rebound by Ajak. Ajak nagbababa ng bola. Ajak. Ganda ng assist! 2 points! By Randall! Nice assist! Randall! Papi for 3! Yes, sir! 3 points! Lamang na ulit tayo. Word limit. 1 point lead. Ajak. Ajak, atake! Ajak! My foul! Walang counter dyan. Who's foul, right? Who's foul? Number 12, Alexi Haduka. Ilang foul na? Haduka. Substitution, rep. Ilan sa Haduka? Ilan? Report agad, report. Sino nag-timeout, rep? Rep, sino nag-timeout? Score 41-40 in favor of Ward Limit. Nasaan si Paring Jasper? Okay, back to the ball game. Yeah, black ball. 2 shots. 2 shots by Ajak. No. Last draw by Ajak. Pasok yan, tabla na ulit tayo. All 41. JM, pass to Alexis. Arjur, back to JM. JM, hay naman. Oy, huli. Black by Ajak, pass to Jessa. Jessa atake. Jessa, umatake na nga. Ganda naman na yan. Uy! Rebound by Ranel. Ganda ng... Wow, foul. 2 shots by Ranel. Who's foul? 100. Mr. Garcia Aljur. Ilan na siya? Second personal foul. Pasok yan kay Ranel. Tibay talaga ni Ranel. Pwede kahit sa ang division. Lilipat na yan sa Division 1 next time. Pasok na naman. 2-point lead by Cuesta. Ganda ng laban. Finals na finals talaga. Okay. JM. Atake. Pass to Alexi. Alexi. Pass to Miko. 2 points. Tabla ulit tayo. All 43. Russell, atake. Russell, malakas. Papi. Tumatakbo si Papi. Papi, umatake. Hey! May foul. It's clear. May foul, may foul. Hit in the arm. Sabi ni rep. 2 shots tayo. Substitution rep. Richard in. Russell out. Pasok yan. Ito na ba ang hinihintay ng word limit na matagal na? Haha. Parang ito na nga. Papi, wala. Rebound by Alexis Adokwa. Paso, Miko, Pito, at tumalaw ang lakas mo. Sayang. Woo! Lamang na po, na isa. 1 point lead, 1 point lead. Ajak, dribbling the ball. Ajak, nice steal. Hop. Oh, jump ball na tayo, jump ball na tayo. Nice, nice boys. Yellow ball. Paling pit. Huwag mawawala ang mata at baka... Yellow tayo, 1 point lead. Bye. Papi. Nice. Ay, huli. Jessa. Ganda talaga ng laban. Ganda rin ng depensa. Jessa, atake. Crossover. Umatake na nga. Gayo! Woo! Nice shot by Jessa. Randall. Randall. Wala. Hey. Ang LC, nakabantay lahat yan. Kaya matitikas ang ating mga LC dyan. Ang spot, 2 shots plus ball position. Bantayan natin yan. Wala. One more. Ayos lang yan. Dala yan ang game. Hindi naman intention manakit. Wala ulit. Okay na, magkaibigan na ulit. Ayos yan. It's just a game, boys. It's just a game. 44-45. Aljor. Nice one. Wala. Rebound by Alexis. Aljor. May foul na. First foul. Ilan? Penalty. Ilan? Penalty na tayo. Penalty. 2 shots. Penalty. 2 shots. Okay, ubos na tayo ng third quarter. That's the end of third quarter. 2 shots na lang po tayo. Wala. Maalat sa free throw. Ganda ng laban. Pahig na shoot. Tabla ulit tayo. All 45. 1 more minute tayo. That's the end of third quarter. Okay, last quarter. Back to the ball game. Ganda ng finals natin. Lahat. Close ang game. Okay. Ajak. Last quarter tayo. Ajak. 2 points yan by Ajak. Binawi. Tabla ulit tayo. Ganda ng laban. Eto na. Okay. Ajak ulit. Atake. Huli. Mr. Aljor. 2 points. Lamang na po uli. Ang yellow. 2 point lead. Huli. Still again. Aljor. Wala. Hey, stepping on the line. Black ball tayo, black ball. Nice rebound by Ranel. Check lang sa mga close. Honest defense lang tayo, honest defense. Ganda naman. Maganda setup. Hoy, may foul na. Foul na tayo. Foul na. First team foul. Ilan si Randall? Sir, ilan si Randall? Randall, third personal foul. Ajak, umatake! Yes, sir! Lamang na ulit tayo. Tabla pala, sorry. Tabla. All 49. Papi. Back to Randall. Randall. Nice defense. Ang ganda ng defense. Papi. Papi atake. Nice assist to Primo. Primo. Malakas. Rebound by Ajax. Ranel. Richard for three. No. Rebound by Ranel. Jessa. Woo! What a shot by Jessa. Nice one. Lamang na ulit tayo. 51-49. Primo. Pass to... Turnover. Black ball tayo. Ang ganda ng laban. Ajax, umatake. Nice steal. Top from behind. Same ball tayo. 20-second shot clock. 20-second shot clock. Richard, pass to Shandel. Shandel, pass to Jessa. Jessa, atake. Jessa. Hey, may foul na. Who's foul? Two shots yan. 79, Mr. JM. JM foul. Two shots by second personal foul. First to. Pasok yan. Tibay. Running for MVP. Ang dalawa. Pasok ulit. Ang tibay. 4-point lead. Wandel. Wala. Rebound by. No, it's 51. 4-point lead. Don't worry. The score is correct. 4-point lead. Aja! Ay, my foul. Two shots yan. Oh, check, Ajax. This is okay. Looks like it's just... Papi! Timeout! Yellow! Okay, back to the ball game. Diretso oras na yan. Diretso na. Pumasok na. Fair tayo. Galing sa timeout. Pagbigyan natin. Okay. Strategy. Ajax. Pasok yan. 5-point lead. One more. Wala. Rebound by Doc. Alexi. JM. Atake si JM. Hey! Shandel. Foul. Two shots yan. By Aljor. Ito na. Kailangan pumasok. Shandel. Second. Pasok yan. Back to 4-point lead. One more. Pasok din yan. 3-point lead. Richard for three. No. Rebound by Randall. Foul. Fourth personal now. Richard Cruz. Is it? Third na kanina yan eh. Fourth personal foul, Richard. Warning for disqualification. Third, team foul. Second, Aljor. Randall. JM for three. No! Rebound by Ranel. Lakas ng depensa. Lakas talaga ng backshot ni Ranel. Pinahanga ko. Jessa. Wala. Not counted now. Not counted. Not counted. Double 0, 100. Warning for penalty. Yellow, warning for penalty. Aljur, third personal foul. Huli! Ayan na! Tumatakbo na ulit! Tumatakbo! Aljur! Wayo! 1 point lead! Back to 1 point lead. 54-53. Eto na! Huli! 17 seconds shot clock. 17. Ganda ng laban. Yan ang finals. Ranel. Huli! Steal by Aljur. Tumatakbo. Aljur. Ganda ng asa. Walang counted. Sayang. 2 shots. Walang counted. Balik yan. 54-53 tayo. 54-53. Walang counted. Sayang. 2 shots. By Alexi. Eto na. Panabla. Tatabla ba? Ay! Sayang. One more. Last draw. Kinakabahan ng ating manonood. Short. Huli. Still. Randall. Pasok! Back to say 3-point lead. Wala. Foul. Penalty tayo. 2 shots. Penalty. Substitution rep. Substitution. Ang ganda ng laban. Kinakabahan na. Manonood natin. Eto na. Jessa. Short. Umoy. Bantayan po natin ang ating 2 minutes. Stop clock po tayo ng 2 minutes. Pag dead ball. Last throw. Ready for rebound. Short. That's big. JM. Last 2 minutes. Wala. Ay! Woo! Woo! What a shot. Huli. Aljur. Pasok! Back to 1 point lead. 1 point lead. Hey! Woo! Black ball! Nicely! Sayang yun! In and out! Woo! Wala yan, wala pang oras yan. Honest defense lang tayo, honest defense mga sir. Lumalamang! Black ball! 1 point lead still! 1 point lead! Black ball tayo! Ganda ng laban!
sayang. One point lead. Randall! Ilan na? Randall! Pasok! Timeout! Randall, 5 personal foul. Palit. 5 personal na. 5, nakalista tayo. 5 personal foul. Change na tayo. 2-point lead by Cuesta. Lasso. Wala. Rebound by Aduka. Pass to the JM. Same ball tayo. 18 seconds, shot clock! Ay! Wala! Rebound! Ang lakas! Grabe! Ang lakas ni Ranel! Nakuha niya pa yon? Ranel, baka qualify ka na sa 45 plus. Kampi na tayo niyan. Wala! Woo! One more! Ready for rebound. 2-point lead. Wala din. Okay, wala. JM, tumatakbo. JM. Foul na. Foul! 2 shots! Penalty! 2 shots! You have 1 timeout. Both teams, 1 timeout left. Both teams, timeout! Timeout! Block! Okay guys, back to the ball game. 12 seconds. 2 shots by Richard. Yes sir! Woo! JM. Wala! 3-point lead. Ito na! Wala! Hey! That's it! Woo! Congratulations!
Wait.